Okay, so today we are going to prepare some Good Humor ice cream bars for freeze drying. We're going to be trying the Reese's bars, and we're also going to be redoing some strawberry shortcake, which we did for our 2020 Glacier Trail fishing trip, and it seemed to be a real hit. And we're going to try these peanut butter ones and see how that goes. Alright, so you just pull the stick out of the bar, and then we're going to cut it up and get it placed on these plates. Okay, so that is 8 of the Good Humor Reese's bars on a tray, and they're starting to soften up a little bit, so we're going to stick the tray and the remaining bars back in the freezer and let them get hardened up a little bit more, and then we'll just continuing loading trays. Okay, so we finished cutting up the remaining bars out of the box of Good Humor Reese's ice cream bars. And in total, 2 boxes, 12 bars, made about 1.5 trays, or filled up 1.5 trays. And you see there's plenty of room there between them as well. And so now we're going to get the strawberry shortcake filling out this tray and another. And then we'll just do some ad hoc stuff on the 4th tray that goes into the freeze dryer. Okay, so we got the remaining box of strawberry shortcake onto this one tray. So again, a tray and a half. We cut these just widthwise, and so they're not quite bite-sized chunks the way the other ones are, but we'll just see how those freeze dry. Okay, so we got the wild card tray loaded with some saltwater taffy, and we've done this before, and these are probably spaced out in such a way that they're all going to poof up and touch together, but that's okay. Okay, so into the deep freeze this is going to go with the ice cream, and we'll probably leave it overnight so it gets a good hard freeze on it before we start freeze drying. Okay, so it's been just about 24 hours, and we're gonna let it vent. And we're gonna open it up and see how everything is. So this was primarily for the Good Humor ice cream bars, and the strawberry shortcake ones were a huge hit on the trail. And so this is the Reese's, and that tray looks pretty good. Crunchy. Ben, how does that taste? I think they're done.
Definitely.
All right. And then we've got a tray of half and half with the strawberry shortcake and the Reese's, and they all look good. Yummy. That's my favorite, strawberry shortcake. And then we did some bigger ones in the strawberry shortcake.
I really like the cross section, the way they look.
Right. And then so those are ready to bag up. And then this, of course.
Well, it looks like some of those touch the top.
Yep. They got kind of puffy.
It's pretty unusual last time they didn't do that, right?
They got pretty puffy last time, but these are even puffier. And we're just going to bag these up, and we'll do these for a taste test too for later. So that's it for the ice cream bars. That's how you do them. So we're going to get these in some Mylar with oxygen absorber, which they're almost 100% sugar and probably don't need the oxygen absorber, but we're going to do that anyway. Okay, So these are not quite 1 gallon size Mylar bags, but almost. And now we've got some big bags sealed up, and we can break these down into smaller portions for actual backpacking trips. And I still like the Reese's is okay, but my favorite is the strawberry shortcake, Good Humor strawberry shortcake bars. And we don't do a lot of sugar here, but these are pretty tasty on the trail. Okay, well, that does it for today's video, and this is a real easy, yummy snack that you can try. This loaded with sugar, there's no way around it, but everything in moderation, right? The other thing is the small bites are better, in my opinion, than the big bites. And so if I had to do it again, I would just take the time to make them all small bites from the beginning. And certainly that's easier in the backcountry because they're just little bites for a snack with a meal or whatever after a meal that you're having. So give the small bites a try if this is something you like. And of course you can do this with a lot of different bars. So good luck with that. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, take a minute, hit the subscribe button. We'll have more content coming to the channel soon. And remember, whenever you can, get up, get out, live a little. See ya.